Travel for Thanksgiving is picking up this year. AAA says the number of people expected to travel are about the same as they were pre-pandemic, and gas a little more expensive than it was last year. 10 News reporter Tavian Whitehurst joins us to share a few ways to make your gas last on that next drive. Tavian?
Hey there, Beth, and hey there, East Tennessee. The first thing you should do is make sure your car is running smoothly. Inspections and quick updates like an oil change, brake checks, and filling and rotating your tires will keep it in tip-top shape on your drive.
It is really a good rule of thumb to always have the shop that you trust. Definitely inspect your vehicle before you head out on a trip, especially if it's going to be anything over 500 miles, and definitely have them just take a look at everything, your belts, your coolant, all your fluids. Tires, brakes, stuff like that. Never hurts to have a little bit of extra fluid, antifreeze, oil in there with you. Make sure your spare tire is aired up. It's something you don't want to have a flat and kind of find out your spare tire is flat as well.
Now your car is fixed up. I've got 5 tips for you. Number 1 is to drive sensibly. Now what does that mean? That means not too much switching lanes or quickly speeding up or braking. You're going to burn more gas driving aggressively trying to weave through traffic. Number 2, observe the speed limit, okay? If you drive over 50 miles an hour, every 5 miles per hour after that, fuel efficiency drops significantly. And then third, avoid bringing extra cargo like a roof carrier just because it makes your car less aerodynamic and makes more drag from those winds and ultimately slows you down. And in the same breath, your 4th tip is to avoid excess weight. It's good to have your emergency stuff, but after that, try and leave it at home if you can, because more weight just means more gas to pull it along. And lastly, avoid idling if you can. If you're at a rest stop, you're better off turning off your car, just because you are going to waste more gas letting your car sit there. You could waste up to half a gallon per hour versus just 10 seconds worth of gas turning your car back on and off, Beth.
Some simple things to do, but they certainly make a difference. All right, Tavian.